Are you interested in building a drone business but have no idea where to start? Do you need help pricing your services to be profitable? Do you need help advertising your business or finding customers? This is Drone Business Made Easy. This class is perfect for anyone who wants to start a drone business on a solid foundation. No prior knowledge is necessary. I'll cover all the steps to research and create your business plan, register your business, and manage it. And more importantly, I will make this easy for you. 7 hours of content in over 100 short and easy to follow video from the comfort of your home. I included 25 assignments to easily create your business plan and included a free template. This course can be watched on desktops and mobile devices. Everything in one place, taught by an aviation business professional who manages small and large aviation businesses. In this course, you will learn how to research business opportunities, answer important, realistic questions you should ask yourself before starting a business, create a business plan, learn how to legally create a business, learn how to successfully market your business, create important financial documents, learn how to run the day-to-day operation of your business, discover how to find customers and keep them, and complete assignments throughout the entire course so it's not passive learning. There's no magic here. This is going to be hard work on your part. I'm not promising you that you will be a millionaire or make $300 flying your drone, but you will have a profitable business that you can be proud of. As always, you get lifetime access and quick support from our team. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, enroll now and I'll see you inside the course.